To warm the interior quickly, start the engine and let it warm up for a few minutes if possible. Use the vent knob to direct airflow to your feet. If the recirculate indicator isn't already lit, press the button to turn it on and recirculate cabin air. Turn the fan speed up to 4 for maximum airflow. Turn the temperature knob to the end of the red zone for maximum heat. Once the interior warms, switch to outside air to help reduce the chance of window fogging. Note that the heating and air conditioning system can't provide heat until the engine begins to warm up.